Ngayon naman, alamin natin how do we manage several products sa back in the upsell. Okay, right now we only have one product here which is ginawa natin. There is also a feature here. If you click on import, you can actually import your products from an existing store like Shopify, WooCommerce. Pero coming soon pa yan. Right now, we will just have to import this fake apparel man. This is very good kung gusto mo lang ng lagyan ng demo products muna yung store mo habang pinaprepare mo pa yung mga materials mo. As you can see, we've already imported some very high quality photos of demo products na pwede nating i-manage right now. Here, you can bulk select everything. Mapipili mo yan and then you can have multiple actions at once. If you click on actions, pwede mong i-delete lahat, pwedeng i-draft or i-active. Okay? So, ano bang mga difference niyan? Let's click one lang muna. Pag i-draft mo yung isa, let's start with the draft, it means hindi yan makikita sa front end. It's ongoing pa yung editing mo. So, if you click on this, dahil naka-draft ito, tingnan natin. It's loading for now. Oops, naka-active pa pala. I-draft ko siya and then I'll save that as a draft. Meaning, hindi na yan lalabas dun sa front end. Okay, and then if I set it back to active and then save it, makikita na ng mga buyers nyo or the visitors ng store nyo. Okay, going back here, remember again, we can bulk delete everything. Let's say we want to delete things here. Ayan, na-delete natin. And if you, let's say, select these three and then have them drafted, set as draft, hopefully that worked. Or you can just manually, for now, draft this thing, then save, and then kung marami kang naka-draft, you can check them here and then see, ito yung mga naka-draft ko because maybe you're just editing it for now, and then you can see all of the active products na meron ka. And again, if you want to delete this for some reason na ikaw lang nakakalam, you can delete all of them and just like that. So, ganun kadali mag-manage ng mga products sa upsell.